Hey everyone, in my last vlog I was talking about how in high school my eyebrows used to be so thin. If you haven't seen that vlog, I'll put the link right here, or I'll put it down below so you can check it out. It was pretty fun. That kind of got me thinking back to high school, and then it kind of got me thinking I should do a video of how I used to style my hair in high school. Back in high school, everybody used to, scrunch their hair up, hairspray, everything. Thought it would be really fun to do. If you want to see how I get this hairsprayed, hard, crunchy, curly look, keep watching. So you want to start off with wet hair. My hair is freshly washed, shampoo and condition. When you're drying your hair, you don't want to dry it all the way. You want it to be still a little dripping wet. Well, not dripping wet, but wet. Like, you shouldn't see any, like, your hair starting to get dry at all, because if you try to like scrunch it up, it's just gonna get frizzy. So when I was in high school, I used to use, I think it was the Tresemme curl mousse or something like that. Any kind of curling product. I didn't really use gel. Honestly, I know some people use gel, but I never use gel because I feel like it would make my hair too sticky. I'm just going to be putting a little bit of this Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie. So with the mousse or whatever, before I do the hairspray, I always just put it like this. You don't want to run your fingers through your hair if you have curly or wavy hair, because it's just going to make it frizzy. I just kind of work with your hair. So I start the scrunching a little bit. This is like the majority of what I do to get this style, the hairspray. I am using this Rave 4X Mega Hairspray. When I was in high school, everybody used this. I don't know if mainly because it was so cheap. I don't want to say it was cheap, but it was only like maybe $2 the most. I got this the other day at Walmart for $1.97. But yeah, it was really inexpensive, but it worked really good. It kept your hair like hard and in place. It's not like a workable hairspray. Like after you put it, you can't like play with your hair after, but it doesn't leave any kind of like white flakes or anything. So that's what I like about it. Shake it up. What I do now mainly is I keep my hair flipped over and just spray everything. So I do this at least 4 or 5 times, just over and over again. I spray and then I scratch. When I feel like some of the water coming out and it's not dripping out, then that's when I flip it over. So I'm going to do that now. This next part is really important. Sometimes if I didn't feel like doing this part, I would just take the middle and kind of clip it up with a like those little butterfly clips. With this part, you have to be careful, because if you mess with it too much, it's gonna get dry and frizzy. And there's been times before school in the morning where I couldn't get this part right, and I would have to go and wash my hair again. That's how like crazy I was, I guess. Usually what I do with the front is I'll try to kind of flip it over. So let's see. Again, I try not to run my fingers through it, because if I do, it's going to get frizzy and it's just going to get messed up. You can like manipulate your hair a little bit, like with your fingertips, just don't like run your fingers through. Usually I can just kind of flip it, and wherever it falls, then that's where I'll leave it. So sometimes if I see like that wasn't happening, I'll flip it back over, scrunch it, and then see if it'll come out. Oh my god, I remember how sticky I felt in the morning. I can't believe I used to do this every morning and I was never late. Like, it would literally take, I don't even remember how early. I must have woke up early, because it used to take me at least a good 20 minutes to do this. Like, what I'm doing is already too long. Like, I'm messing with the front too much, right? That's good. I'm gonna leave it like that. At this point, when I feel like I've gotten the front right, then I'll pull all my hair in the front and spray it. Oh my god. I was like inhaling hairspray every day. Every day. That's crazy. Once you see you kind of have everything in place, then you kind of want to just leave it alone. One more spray, as if I didn't spray enough already. And the last scrunch. So I never used like a diffuser or anything because, I mean, at the time I didn't have one, and I don't think I would have took time to do that anyway. And even now when I do my hair curly, I don't use a diffuser. I just like to let it air dry because usually I do leave my hair like wavy or curly, whatever, in the summer. So in the summer is kind of when I take a break because I flat iron my hair, you know, every week. So in the summer I kind of take a break. So I don't want to, for me, I don't see the point of using a diffuser and adding heat to my hair. Like, it'll dry naturally. Well, some people are going to say like, you know, why don't you just do your hair curly like your natural hair or whatever. So you see, like, this is a process. And for me, it's just easier to wash my hair, pin it up. When it's dry, I flat iron it, and then I don't have to worry about it for the next 4 or 5 days. As opposed to if I did my hair wavy, I would have to wash it at least every probably every 2 days, or if not every other day, if not every day. If my hair wasn't so frizzy, I would definitely just leave it wavy. But that's the thing, my hair, it's not curly, I guess it's wavy, but it's really frizzy. Like, if I don't put any product on it, it's just like a big puff ball. So that's why it's just easier for me to straighten my hair, and then I don't have to worry about it the next 4 or 5 days. It's so funny, I used to do my hair like this all year round when I was in high school. Even in the, you know, when it was cold, I would do my hair like this. I would walk to the bus stop, my hair would be frozen, like literally frozen like an icicle. It was crazy. Funny enough, I never got sick. You know how they say like don't go out with a wet head? I never got sick ever, but I rarely get sick. So, I don't know. This is how I used to do my hair in high school. I literally haven't done my hair like this since high school. Like, I've worn my hair wavy, but I'll just put like maybe something like this or a little bit of mousse, and then I'll kind of just, I won't even scrunch it up. I'll kind of just put it through my hair and just let it air dry. We're gonna be going out today, so I'm gonna kind of show you my hair later on because it looks better when it's dry. Now it kind of looks like flat and wet, but when it dries, it looks nicer. It's been like 2 or 3 hours since I did my hair. So like I said, it looks nicer when it gets dry. Like, I don't like the flat, wet look. Now, around this point, I kind of stopped scrunching it up. I kind of, you know, stopped messing with it at all because it's pretty much done. But this is like the smallest amount that we've ever gotten from BJ. And we were literally in there for like, what, 10 minutes?
Yeah. 5 minutes online, and then 5 minutes looking for this stuff.
Probably has one original programming block for every 5 reruns of Everybody Loves Raymond. Followed.
And my hair is finally dry. Yeah, like I said, I hate like the flat, wet look, so I love it when it gets to this point. So I'm kind of feeling it now. I don't know. Should I go back to it? Comment down below and let me know. Do you like the straight hair or do you like this? Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to hit the like button, subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye!